patchy internet connection. We've had no cell phone connection whatsoever. I work in the hospital as well as a doctor, so we've been trying to set up emergency services, which has been very, very tricky.
The damage here is, with the power lines, is extensive, and all up Eckley Road it's just snapped in so many places, so I think we'll be pretty cut off for a while.